Let's control the second row seat in the 2025 Santa Fe Calligraphy. The fastest way to access the seat settings is to swipe, go to seats, and here you go. The first option here, we have the second row seat warmers. You have the access to the second seat and the right seat. When you press this button over here, it will show you that the seat warmers are on. When you press it one more time, it goes lower, lower, and then off. And you can do the same for the right seat. Over here, you got the second row seat control. You can recline the seat back, or you can tilt the cushion in this way. So when you push this forward, it will go forward, and when you press it backward, the seat will go backward. You have another option for the cushion tilt. When you push it this way, it will go up, and when you push it downwards, it will go down. And again, you have it for the left seat and the right seat as well. Now over here, you have the second row seat fold. So as you can see over here, this is our first row and this is the second row. When you push this button over here, the seat will fold. And when you push it back, it will go back. And again, you can control the right seat and the left seat from there. Thank you for watching, guys. If you have any questions, drop it below in the comments.